Hi, I'm Nadia, and I am the research lead for Small AI. So, for the past year, I've been researching what AI governance looks like for the arts, and I want to take some of my ideas and ruminations to really add to this concept of small AI. Small AI confronts the question of, are large language models really too big? From the discriminatory biases that they reproduce to the incredible toll they take on the environment, and also as an industry standard, it's all about theft. Right now, we're seeing authors, newspapers suing corporations like OpenAI for outright stealing or plagiarizing their work, all in the name of collecting data. So small AI confronts these ethical and environmental considerations and reimagines what innovation and technology look like if we put people at the center. And this means not just designing around people, but so much labor goes into making AI happen. To make data in the first place, you need to first tag and label the data to make it into training data that AI can then use. That work is often underpaid and unrecognized. The idea behind small AI would be to give value to human labor and recognize that labeling a data point, whether it's a painting or a picture someone took of their dog, and seeing that work as meaningful and important. And if that data is actually a cultural asset, whether it's the Mona Lisa or something that we hold dear to us, like a meme, and how can we orient technology to reflect culture, language, and generally like more diverse representation? Small AI for me means about confronting these questions and not seeing them as limits, but really they rethinking how we understand innovation, that it's not about bigger and better, it's about well-being and the planet.